This video is about how to create your WhatsApp avatar. Now, the first thing is to go to settings, then have this avatar section to start creating your avatar. The next thing is to choose a skin tone for your avatar, then move on to choose a number of qualities like hairstyle and the color, outfit, and body shape. And you can always use this mirror icon to check your image and then get your avatar right. And if you want to create a detailed avatar, you can also choose other qualities like eye shape and the color, eyebrows and the color, eye makeup, and also nose shape and the nose piercings. You can also choose mouth shape and the lip color, face shape, jawline, facial hair and the color, face markings and the face lines. And if you are into, you can also choose mint. In addition, you can choose ear piercings and the earring devices and the color, eyewear and the color, and also handwear and the color. And after all these, you can save your avatar and going to use it as a profile photo, or even use it to create some stickers and share them. And if you don't like your avatar, you can always edit it or even delete it. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on WhatsApp and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.